So we've got the picking up tongs out of the kiln, the pinch tongs, you've seen them all. Or you're going to see this sort of thing in here. Once that melts down, we'll drop another one in. Hey guys, right, welcome to the channel. Right, I've redone the kiln, you can see it just down there. And we've made, I'm going to show you all the tools that I've made. We'll go through all the tools that I've made here. And guess what, we've got a new crucible, 8 kilo crucible. So that will be exciting, I can't wait. So I've redone the kiln. I'll just show you that next. Alright, so here is the waste of the kiln, and I've decided to actually chop it out with this saw. I used a big tree saw. It's got really aggressive, this is Hebel block too. I use Hebel block because I can get it cheap, and this seems to last me like a whole year, so I can melt stuff, copper and everything, for a whole year, and it really isn't that dear. I think it cost me $100 for like 6 blocks, blocks like this. Well, 6 blocks like that. That's the height of it. I reckon the block was about that long and that high. So you can see I've cut it there. It's not very straight. So it's cost me $100, and it's literally cost me $50 to get the kiln done. And so that's the other half. So you can see the old one. Here is the old one, and it's pretty bad, eh? You can see remnants of slag. It all sort of eventually melts over and opens up. So, oh, there you go. This first time it broke. So to get a good look at it, well, you got to remember this kiln burns at 1,000 degrees. So it's sort of really, over a year it cooks the first inch. The rest of it's pretty good, so I actually really like this stuff. So I've actually moulded it bigger for our 8 kilo crucible. So I'll get that out. I got this for a bargain. And this crucible, get on eBay, Australia eBay. At the moment, this is a clay graphite crucible. I'm going to be able to get it out. Hang on, yeah, sorry about that. There we go. She's a big mama. So, look at that. Fits in there good. I should be able to get my tongs in there now. So just let me set that up and I'll get my tongs in there. Bear with me, guys. Sorry for the moving, I just can't be stuff editing it. I'll show you one of the tongs that I made. This is the tongs that I've made. So I'm hoping I can get right in there, because you saw on one of my other videos I couldn't quite get in there. And as you can see now, I can get in there nicely. Look at that, beautiful. So I should be able to get in there. Just got enough room, so I'm glad I cut that out. I've actually smashed that up and powdered at the bottom. So it's the same stuff on the bottom, but I got it all as powder. So when I drop the crucible in, see, some people put cardboard down so it doesn't stick, but that's how I'm doing it. So there you go. So I should be able to just go down in there. It's going to be really safe now, because there's going to be 1,000 degree copper in there, and I'm going to have at least 4 kilos sitting in that. So there you go. So there's one of the tongs. Right, to give you an idea, it says brand new. Look at the difference. Like a 4 kilo, that's a 4 kilo. and that fits inside it. So I'm going to have heaps of room in there. Just get the tongs again. So I'm not going to have any problem with that now. Look at that. Perfect. So there you go. Alright, so this is my 8 kilo. Once I got my Crucible, I actually got to make the tool for it. So I'll show you how we use that. And I made this sliding mechanism that locks. So I'll just show you that now. So we'll put that down. You just got to imagine that the Crucible's hot. Alright, I'm picking it up with the tongs. So we drop that down like that. And then what we do is, I'm going to get down here. So you lift it up. And then we slide that across. And that locks it. That'll lock it for tip, so it doesn't tip out. And then you just hold your hand there. Or you hold your hand there, more like that way, and it can't tip out. So there you go. So there's the locking part of it. So that's how I made my Crucible tool for the 8 kilo. It's just a matter of dropping it down, sliding that back, dropping that down, and then you can put it away again. Right, we'll show you the other tools now. So these, you've seen me use these ones. They're my normal tongs that I use for grabbing. So that's just a bit of 10 by 20 flat. This is my stirring bit of Rio that I use. Still got a bit of copper on the end. And that's my 4 kilo. That's my 4 kilo one. So when the 4 kilo one goes down, then I just put that. And that's the locking mechanism. It stops it from tipping. And then I just got one of those, and I welded a bit of flat round bar, a bit of pipe on there, and that helps me scoop stuff out. So there you go. All right, I got my old tools like that. And one more thing I wanted to show you was I stripped 8 kilos of bright bare copper. So it makes me smile when I see this. So anyway, I've got my tools. There's all the tools set up. So we've got the picking up tongs out of the kiln, the pinch tongs, you've seen them all. Right, here is me bright bar copper. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. So next pour you're going to see this sort of thing in here. Once that melts down, we'll drop another one in. These are about 1 kilo each. So that took me half a day to strip all that and bind it all up. So I'm pretty excited about that. There you go. Alright guys, hope you like that. That's just an introduction of, if you're a newbie, that's the sort of tools you need. You want to do it all safely and have the proper tools. It helps if you know how to weld and all the rest of it, or if you've got someone that can weld them for you. Anyway, there you go. Hope you like that. Subscribe if you like that, and like and all the rest of it. Right, next pour, we're going to pour a 3 kilo ingot. So I can't wait. I really can't wait for that. There we go. Alright guys, catch you later. Cheers.